Hi, and welcome to today's video, What are seizure triggers? In today's video, I'd like to discuss the definition of a seizure trigger, as well as give some examples of what a seizure trigger may be. By definition, a seizure trigger refers to stimuli that may induce a seizure in certain people. Triggers can vary among individuals, but common triggers include illness, tiredness, alcohol consumption, and missing doses of medication. It's important to note that seizure triggers are different from seizure causes. Underlying conditions often cause seizures, while triggers induce seizures in people already predisposed to having them. So what can trigger a seizure? As previously stated, some of the most common seizure triggers are tiredness, lack of sleep, alcohol consumption, and missed medication. Among the list of other seizure triggers includes stress or anxiety, fatigue or lack of sleep, hormonal changes, alcohol consumption or recreational drug use, missed medications, exertion or overheatedness, flashing lights or loud sounds, caffeine consumption, consuming certain foods known to trigger your seizures, not drinking enough liquids, skipping meals, taking medicines that may interfere with the effectiveness of an anti-epileptic drug, and many other triggers that I may not have included. If you are aware of your seizure triggers or another person's triggers, it is important to do your best to avoid these triggers and avoid situations in which a trigger may occur. This is not always possible, as seizure triggers can occur at any time, any place, depending on the situation or scenario. Take, for example, a person with photosensitivity whose seizures are triggered by flashing bright lights. Perhaps they've gone to the movies not knowing that there is going to be flashing lights. They're in a dark room with loud noise, and now any flashing lights are going to be amplified by the darkness. It is best for this person to leave the movies and take the loss of money rather than to stay and risk having a seizure. It can be hard to live with seizures, as avoiding seizure triggers can kind of take the fun out of life sometimes. But it's always best to respect your health and the health of others. So hopefully this video has helped you become aware, educated, and informed of what a seizure trigger is and how to recognize it.